Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Otutu, and on this channel, I mostly talk about finance and self-development. If that sounds interesting to you, please kindly subscribe to the channel because we have very beautiful contents on this channel and way better ones to come. On this channel, when it comes to self-development, I try to, carry my subscribers along with me. I talk about, and there's something we usually do every month, which is plan with me. So in this plan with me, what we usually do is we go over what we plan to achieve the previous month, see if we're able to hit the goals or tick off the goals, what went wrong, why didn't we achieve everything, and then we plan for the next month by carrying along whatever we didn't achieve if it needs to be carried along to the new month. So happy new month to you. I hope that this month brings you nothing short of joy, blessings, and your heart desires being fulfilled. So I'm going to go along to bring my spreadsheet. Whatever you use to plan for yourself, please bring it out. If you miss notebook, whatever it is, here we do not mind. We just want to get plan it and then make sure that we at least carry out most of the goals. So I'm going to share my screen now so you can see it. Yeah, so this is what the sheet looks like. So in this sheet we have what we call the grooming session. The grooming session is a place where we usually write down everything we want to achieve for the whole year, and whenever you're planning for a new month, you go through this list and then pick out what you think you can achieve for that month, and so that it can we can be ticking off most of our yearly goal. So we are here, we plan our goals, we have the very big vision, what we want to achieve at the end of the year, but then we break them into chunks and then we break them into months. Okay, this month this is what I want to achieve. And then in the next column we have months. This is where we write down each month of the year. And then the next column we have to do. So this to do just is where you write down what you hope to achieve. So when you finish planning for each month, once you start it, you move it to the next column, which is in progress. Then in progress is when you're already working on that particular goal. And then when you're done achieving that particular goal, you move it to done. And then we also have the reward column. I try to reward myself at least maybe once in 3 months, maybe a particular quarter. So this keeps me going, like, okay, if I'm able to achieve most of these goals, I'm going to get myself this or get myself that. So that is it. We've been able to clear up the one for January. So we're going to go over what we planned for February. Guys, this February was not really it. I didn't do a lot of things. Yeah, but let's first of all look at the good part, which is what were you able to achieve. So if we look at this done column, we can see here create 15 TikTok videos. I was able to do over 40. I'm actually enjoying TikTok. Ah my god, it was an experiment. I actually wanted to, because one of the goals I have this year is to make $1 million, and one of the ways to do that, one of the sources of income that I saw was creating TikTok videos and monetizing it. Although I've not gotten to a point where I'm monetizing it yet, but at least we're seeing some followers and it's building up. Then the next one is to create 3 videos on the vlog channel. So if you do not know about my vlog, here I try to look very serious and professional, but I'm not in real life. So if you want to see a different side of me, then you have to check out my vlog. The link will be in the description. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoy goofy videos. So I was able to make 7 videos, shockingly, because they are vlogs, they are easier to make. And then I talk about Germany, relocating to Germany, my culture shock experiences. Those are like easy videos to make. So I really enjoy doing them. I really enjoy vlogging. So it's, you can see, this should count for something. I created 7 videos on the vlog channel. So do not come for me when we get to the page, the column where I didn't do for this finance channel. And then we have no soda. I didn't drink any soda. Again, this is month 2. We are on no soda challenge for the year. I want to reduce my sugar intake. So I didn't get close to it. I didn't even smell it. I didn't get close to it this month, and I'm really happy I did that. The next one is complete review cycle successfully. This was a success. So if you don't know, and if this is your first time here, I am a software developer. I work for a company here in Berlin. So we did our review where every 6 months the company reviews if you're doing well, if you're meeting the goals or whatever you're supposed to do at a particular level. So this was a success. It really, really went well, and I'm really happy and proud of myself. The next one is secure the bag. I can't really fully review what this secure the bag is, but just tell me congratulations. There was something that I wanted. I went for it and I got it, and I'm so 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 happy. It took it stressed me, but I'm happy at the end of the day. It was really a success. Every time and effort put to it was really paid off, and I'm so proud of myself. So I will celebrate later. So the next one is save. Yeah. So for this month, a lot of expenses, a lot of things came up, but just like I always tell you guys, saving is not about how much you're able to save, but the willingness to do that. So I didn't save a lot this month, but at least I saved very little, which I'm really proud of because it's like a habit that I have had since I can't remember when, since over 10, 15 years ago. So every month I try to save, even if it's $1. So I'm happy with all the responsibilities and everything. I was still able to save at least something. The next one is to journal daily. So I don't know if you watched when I did my review for 2021. So last year I really went through a lot, and I had lots of anxiety, panic attack, and yeah, so journaling was a way for me to breathe. So it helps me a lot. I'm happy I was able to do that. So I think I showed you guys in the last plan with me, but this is the book I use. So in this journal, it helps me write down my thoughts, so more happy moments, quote of the day, morning reflection, what you're grateful for, what is bothering you, how will you resolve it. And then in the evening it will ask you self-reflection, how you felt that day, then your evening reflections and all of that. So it has been a really great help, I won't lie. It has really really been a great help. So I'm really happy that it's something, a habit that I have formed, and I plan to continue. The next one is work out 4 days every week. This I am proud of. I am proud of this because I did it. I did it. I made sure that every week this month of February, apart from the first few days after taking the booster shot, they advised me not to work out because and I actually even reacted a little bit. I felt ill, but I'm happy I was able to do this. The next one is read 7 secrets of investing by investing like Warren Buffett. This was written I think by the sister or so. This is really really great, and I'm going to do a book review on this, so wait for the video. But I read this book, it's really amazing. It talked a lot about emergency fund, how you're supposed to invest as a smart person, how to do researches and all of that. The next one is to invest in index funds of crypto or and crypto. For cryptocurrency, I invested at the beginning of the month, but it was very little, but at least it was an investment, and I did that. And then the next one is to lose 2 kg. Yay, we did it. We did it. I actually lost 2 kg with the workout, and I reduced my meal a little bit. So I'm going to show you on the scale here. You're going to see it. I moved from 100 kg to 97 point something kg, which I'm really proud of. Another one is to renew my resident permit. So in Germany here, we have my I have a blue card which is tied to a company, but because my contract was like 2 years, I had it expired after the 2 years, which is this year. So now I have renewed it. I have my appointment by Monday to go and change some things and get a new one. And then for the ones that are in progress, kick off finance coaching for the year. This to be honest, February was really a challenging month for me, mentally and otherwise. But then I wasn't able to have sessions with my people this month. I will book and book, but then I would one thing or the other will come up. Like I know beginning of the month we didn't have any internet at all. It was really a struggle. I couldn't come online. I couldn't do a lot of things. But apart from that, I had other things that personally I was battling with, but I couldn't. I always want to give people my best, so I didn't do that. create a new Instagram page. I created a new Instagram page, right? But I haven't added any picture or image. I haven't started growing the account yet, which I'm not very proud of, but procrastination led to that. The next one is create 6 videos for the finance channel. I did just 2 or 3 because I just shot a video. Today's date is actually 26th of February. So by the time you're watching this video, it's 1st of March. So the video might come on 28th. I'm not sure. If it doesn't, then you will see it 1st March or 2nd March. Well, I'm happy. I didn't do this and I'm not very proud. My finance videos take me a lot because I need to research, and I wasn't in the mood to research anything. I wasn't really in the mood to do any proper research, and I always want to give you guys the best. So I just did only 2 videos, and this month is going to be March is going to be better. Just wait. I'm serious. Read Law of Success. I didn't read this. I didn't even open the book. I didn't even download. I didn't do anything. There's no explanation for it. And then advertise KuCoin affiliates. I added it to my descriptions. That's not proper advertisement. I wanted to create a video on that, but you can see that the finance channel, we didn't do anything on the finance, so it didn't come up. Then write 3 articles. I've written the third one, but I haven't published it yet because I'm waiting for the video that is supposed to come before this video to be out, so that I can share the link so that people who don't have data to watch the video can read the article. So that's why it's still here. I don't know if I should call it 3/3 or 2/3, but why I left it at 2/3 is because it's not yet published. Then the last one, which is in the to-do, which we didn't even start at all, was to start taking my purchase course. I've opened it, I've taken the first 2 chapters, but I haven't gone very fast, so I didn't bother moving it to in progress or in done because I know that the first 2 was mostly introduction and all of that. So this brings us to the month of March. What do we want to achieve in the month of March? So in the month of March, I want to hire an editor. I've actually spoken with him and I'm very, very happy. I'm really, really happy that he actually agreed to work with me. I'm telling you, like, it's a dream come true for me. So that's why it's in progress. We've not started working together yet, but hopefully we do that. So if he comes on board, then you will see more videos, because what really takes me time creating this content is editing can be serious work. So you hire an editor. The next one we want to do is save. We always save here. If you're following me and you're not saving, the I am giving you, you have to learn to save. Then the next one is to create 7 videos for this main channel. With the editor coming on board, we've agreed that we'll try to be posting at least 2 videos every week. So weekends I will shoot the video and move down to him, and then we'll find a schedule that works for the both of us, where we'll be uploading twice a week. And then for the vlogs, those ones I handle them myself. We'll create 5 vlogs and then create 20 TikTok videos or even more, so that we can get to 1,000 followers. We are currently around 700. We're currently around 700. So when we get to 1,000, we can go live and people can, give gifts, and by that you monetize your video. The next one is to invest in crypto. As always, we invest every month, no matter how tiny, even if it's $10, invest. And then I also want to write 4 articles. I want to do one on self-development, one on maybe anything about Germany, and maybe 1 or 2 in tech. And then we are still on our weight loss journey. We still want to lose 2 kg. We want to do that. Another one is to research on driver's license and get a driving school. So I want to learn how to drive. I learned how to drive in Nigeria, but learning how to drive, I didn't have a car to practice. I was in Lagos. If I was in my parents' place, I would have had their car, but I wasn't where I would have access to a car. So I just learned it and I didn't practice. So I just feel like I've forgotten what it feels like to drive. So I want to research here. It doesn't mean I'm going to start this month, but I just want to find a school, make all the inquiries, and then make all the inquiries and then start. And here it will be easier to get a car because I can easily hire. So once I finish learning, I can now rent a car and start moving around. The next one is to read 2 books here, which is Unlock Your Senses and Improve Your Life by Russell Jones, and then read The Power of Attraction Mindset by Rumi Nelson. These 2 books I've read about them and people recommend it as well. It's really great. So I want to read more on that. I love reading books because they help help me a lot. They help me mentally, they help me grow as a person. If you don't read, if you struggle with reading, you can try the audio version. It's also very great. Just always try to, you know more, always try to learn more. It helps a lot. The next one is to journal daily, and I want to keep doing that. Finance coaching, to actually take it seriously this month. And then the last one is therapy. Guys, yeah, I talked about therapy here. Probably maybe one day I would sit down and talk about this fully, how mental health is really, really important. The baby girl here is going through some things, and I'm not really ready to talk about it, but I want to, you know take my mental health seriously and try a lot of things. But yeah, if I have more things to achieve the month of March, I will add it here. Then when we are doing our monthly review, you would see it pop up here. But that is all I have for you for this video. I hope you also planned for the month of March. You have to be very intentional. How do you want to, what do you want to achieve for this month? Remember, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So always remember that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe and like. Tell me what other videos you would want to see, and I'll make them for you. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the support and the love, even with my inconsistency. I love you all so much. Bye.